can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Kusama. Now over the last 1 week, Kusama is up 7.1%. It has risen up by 5.3% over the last 1 month. Even though it's still down 17% over the last 1 year, it's official, guys. It's an altcoin season. Altcoins are pumping front, left, and center. It's an altcoin month, and historically, that's when altcoins go parabolic. Because of that, we're looking at Kusama's performance against the US dollar on a weekly time frame. Are we ready for that big pump to the moon? Where are those key levels to watch out for in the coming days and the coming weeks as altcoins are going parabolic? We also look at Kusama's performance against Ethereum. We've seen it drop to new all-time low. Will it continue dumping to Goblin Town? Are we going to see a huge bounce? We also look at Kusama's market cap. Is it possible to get to new all-time highs? Bitcoin dominance is dumping. Greed has returned back to the cryptocurrency market. How will that affect the price of Kusama? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before you make any investment decision. Let's get down to business. If you take a look at the altcoin market, the last 24 hours, we're seeing huge gains across the board. Double-digit gains across the board on the daily time frame. Some altcoins have even gone up triple digits over the last 1 week and the last 1 month. Which begs the question, how high can Kusama go in the coming days and the coming weeks? The 2021 bull market saw Kusama being one of the best investments, rallying to new all-time highs. And in just under 500 days, we saw Kusama pumping up by more than 67,000%. Crazy things happen in the altcoin market. The altcoin market is one of the most volatile markets in the world. Huge pumps to the moon, but then we also have huge dumps to Goblin Town. Now those huge dumps to Goblin Town always comes in a bear market. The huge pumps to the moon comes in a bull market. And when Kusama experienced his first bear market, what happened to it? We saw it dumping to Goblin Town, losing around 98% of its value, which is normal to see in the cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin, Ethereum have all their 90% dump to Goblin Town in the past. Dumping 90% is a rite of passage in the cryptocurrency market. That's where value is made. That's where legends are made, and that's where you get to buy deep in the bear market. But then when the bull market comes, we have to ask ourselves a $1 million question. How high can it go? Where are we going to sell for some sweet profit? We're not here to continue holding our bags forever. We're here to speculate. At some point in time, we have to sell out and realize those gains. One key level to watch out for Kusama over the next few days is going to be the $60 level. We saw Kusama chilling in that $60 level in July of 2022. We rallied towards higher prices in December of 2023, got stopped at that $60 level. We tried again in December of 2024. We could barely get to the $60 level before we got rejected. So over the next few days and the next few weeks, as Kusama tried to pump to new all-time highs, watch out for that $80 level, watch out for that $60 level. We need to rally up by more than 257% for us to get there. And if we continue pumping to higher prices, guys, there's still more resistance along the way. The $206 level is going to be one heavy resistance we'll need to blast through over the next few days if we see Kusama going aggressively. But guys, if all things work together for good, if the market is very bullish, if market price gets very euphoric, best case scenario for Kusama, if we attempt to get to new all-time highs, we'll have to pump first passing $60, passing the $206 level, and then get to that $550 region. For us to get there, Kusama will need to pull off more than a 3,000% move to the upside. Yes, Kusama has done that in the past, but remember, guys, nobody's guaranteeing you anything in the cryptocurrency market. You're basically playing a game against other market participants that are here to make some money. Your number one job is to buy low and to sell high, to buy when there's greed in the market and to buy when there's fear in the market and to sell when greed returns back to the cryptocurrency market. And always remember, the higher we go, the riskier it becomes. The higher we go, the more you want to sell for some sweet profit. If you look at Kusama's performance against Ethereum over the last few years, it's been nothing to write home about. We have seen Kusama drop to new all-time lows against Ethereum, which is expected. It had a crazy pump in 2021 against Ethereum. The crazy pump took it up by more than 6,500% against Ethereum in less than 450 days. That's the bull market. The bear market is the inverse of the bull market. In the bull market, we see these altcoins pumping parabolically, pumping aggressively against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. But then in the bear market, which is driven by fear, you see market participants running towards safety. And that's why altcoins like Kusama dump aggressively in the bear market. We've seen it lose 99% of its value against Ethereum. But guys, we're in altcoin season. And if you don't know what altcoin season is, it means 75% of the top 50 coins are doing better than Bitcoin over the last 90 days. If we're in altcoin season, altcoins are expected to go parabolic. I'll not be shocked to see Kusama over the next few days outperforming both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Maybe 100% to a 500% pump to the upside. Nothing crazy. That's wild. In the altcoin market, if 200 to a 500% pump to the upside is nothing crazy. Kusama all-time high came in 2021. We saw Kusama trading for as high as $623. Right now, it's down 97% from that all-time highs. What makes Kusama unique? Kusama describes as Polkadot while causing. It's an experimental blockchain platform that is designed to provide massive, interoperable, and scalable framework for developers. Kusama is built on Substrate, a blockchain built-in kit developed by Parity Technologies. Kusama has almost the same code base as Polkadot, one of the most successful interoperable blockchains. You want to get some Kusama tokens for yourself? You can get some on Binance, on Bybit, on Coinbase Exchange, on OKX, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins, you can get some Kusama tokens right there. Look at Kusama's market cap, which sits around the $280 million level. It's way off its previous all-time highs. The highest we have seen Kusama's market cap trade over the last 3 years has been the $750 million level where it got to in November of 2024. There's still a lot of resistance along the way. If we get to the $1.7 billion level, Kusama might face some huge resistance before we get to new all-time highs. The new all-time highs for Kusama's market cap sits around the $5 billion level. And yes, it's possible for us to rally straight to $5 billion. Stranger things have happened in the cryptocurrency market. For Kusama to get there, guys, we need to pull up a 1,700% move to the upside. Historically, that will happen during altcoin season. Historically, that will happen when Bitcoin dominance is dumping. And right now, that's what's happening. Bitcoin dominance has been dumping over the last few weeks. I will not be shocked if we continue seeing further decline in Bitcoin dominance. Greed is in the cryptocurrency market. Extreme greed might return over the next few days and the next few weeks. That's a telltale sign to be selling. Guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. As Kusama starts pumping to higher prices, where will you be selling for some sweet profit? Do you believe a new all-time high is possible? I want to hear your thoughts about that. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video and anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Unfortunately, no one can be told what the Matrix is. You have to see it for yourself.